Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Solarpunk game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, not launching, not opening, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC once and after that try to launch the game and check. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and finally launch the game and check if you can play it. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8. Hit on apply and OK, launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimization, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. This may take some time, wait for it. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -t x11, launch the game and check if you can play it. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time type -t x12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates, wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, because most of the time it has been seen that antivirus program stops you from playing the game. So make sure to disable the antivirus program and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list first. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to stop overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to close background apps. So for that, just go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them. Now after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. This will close the app that is running in the background. Once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So whatever option you get, click on it. Click on yes, wait for some time. And after you get set up successful message, close this. Once done, launch the game and then check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and then click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. Once you have done this, after that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Solarpunk game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix Solarpunk game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.